Hi my dear students, welcome to Awesome Math. This is Suhasini. Already we have seen exercise 2.3 and what is sequence. If you have not seen the video's link have given in description box. Please go watch the video and make the notes. So now today we are going to see exercise 2.4. Okay. So first sum, find the next three terms of the following sequence. So they have given some sequence numbers here. You have to find next three terms in this sequence. Okay, see, just relate and see these numbers. See, if I multiply 8 with 3, I'll get 24, correct? So if I multiply 24 with 3, I'll get 72, correct? Similarly, multiply 72 with 3, you'll get next number. Got it? See, 8 into 3 is 24, this number. Next, 24 into 3, that is 72, this number. So now 72 into 3, that is 216. So next digit will be 216. Okay, next, comma, you multiply this number with 3 now. So 216 into 3, that is 648. So next number is 648. Next, again multiply this number with 3, you'll get the next number. So 648 into 3, that is equals to 1944. Okay. They asked you next three terms, correct? So next three terms is 216, 648 and 1944. Okay. Next sum, 5, 1 minus 3. Just see what's the relationship between these three numbers. See, if I subtract 5 with 4. If I do 5 minus 4, I'll get 1, correct? If I subtract 1 minus 4, I'll get minus 3, correct? So you have to subtract this number with minus 4. Got it? So 5 minus 4 is 1, this number. Then 1 minus 4 is minus 3, this number. Now minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7. So your next number is minus 7. Okay. Next, minus 7 minus 4, that is minus 11. So next is minus 11. Then minus 11 minus 4, that is minus 15. So your next number is minus 15. So the next three terms are minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. Got it? The main thing is you have to find the relation. What's the relationship between these three numbers? Then you can continue with further. Okay. So now we'll see next subdivision. Next, 1 by 4, 2 by 9 and 3 by 16 and so on. So you have to find what is the relationship between these three. Okay. First, if you see the numerator, see 1, 2, 3. So it is continuous. So you can take next 3 as 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So now you have to see denominator. See, for denominator what I'll do, just here you take n as 1. Okay. So n as 1 means 1 divided by 1 plus 1 whole square. Means what? 1 divided by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Correct. So now if I take n as 2, this 2. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 is adding for everything. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square. So 3 square is what? It's 9. Correct. Now I'll take n as 3. 3 divided by 3 plus 1 whole square. That is 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 square. 4 square is 3 by 16. Correct? We got correct relationship. So now what we'll do? We'll take n as 4. If I take n as 4, 4 divided by 4 plus 1 whole square, which is 4 by 4 plus 1 is what? It's 5. 5 square is 25. So 4 by 25. So your next number should be 4 by 25. Okay. So now next n as 5. So 5 divided by 5 plus 1 whole square. Correct? So that is 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 6 square is what? 36. Correct? So your next number should be 5 by 36. Okay? So now, next n is what? So it should be 6 now. So n is equals to 6. That is 6 divided by 6 plus 1 whole square. Correct? So that is 6 divided by 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So 7 square. So 7 square is what? It's 49. Okay? So your next number is 6 by 49. So this is the next 3 terms. Okay? So now we'll see second sum. Second sum. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given. So they have given nth terms. You have to find first 4. First 4 means what? A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So now first what I'll do, I'll take n as 1. So if I take n as 1, it is what? A1. So A1 is equals to 1 cube minus 2. Means wherever you have n, substitute 1. Okay. So 1 cube is what? 1 only, minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. So this is your A1, first term. Okay. Next, I'll take n as 2. If I take n as 2, substitute 2 in the place of n. So A2 is equals to 2 cube minus 2. That is 2 cube is what? 8. 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is what? 6. So this is your second term. Now n is equals to 3. So n is equals to 3. Which means in the place of n you have to substitute 3. So a cube into is equals to 3 cube minus 2. So 3 cube is what? It's 27 minus 2. So 27 minus 2 is 25. So this is your third term. Next, n is equals to 4. A4 is equals to 4 cube minus 2. That is 64 minus 2. That is 62. This is your fourth term. So that's what they asked. Find first 4 terms. So your A1, A2, A3, A4 is minus 1, 6, 25, 62. Got it? So now we'll see next subdivision. Okay. So they have given the nth term. That is an is equals to minus 1 to the power of n plus 1, n into n plus 1. Okay. So now similarly you have to take n is equals to 1 for first term. That is A1. So A1 is equals to minus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1. Correct? So this is 1. Now, so 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So which is minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 again. Okay? So 2 ones are 2. Again minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Minus minus get cancelled. So your answer is 2. So your A1 is 2. First term. Now second term, n is equals to 2. That is A2 is equals to minus 1, 2 plus 1. Then 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, that is minus 1 cube. 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so now 3 2s are 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, minus and minus becomes plus and one more minus will be. So plus into minus is minus. Okay, see minus 1 whole cube can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Correct. So minus into minus is plus 1. Again one more minus 1 is there. So plus into minus is minus. Minus 1. Got it? So this becomes minus 3 2s are 6. So your A2 is what? 6. Next, n3. A3 is equals to minus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1. Correct. So minus 1 to the power of 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here 4 minus 1 is there. So it becomes positive 1. Then 4 3s are 12. So A3 is equals to 12. Third term. Next, fourth term, n4 is equals to A4 minus 1, 4 plus 1, 4 into 4 plus 1. That is minus 1 to the power of 5. 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So here odd number is there. See, if minus 1 to the power of any odd numbers, then your answer will be minus. Okay. If it is any even number, then your answer will be plus. Okay. So now here you see this is even number, then your answer will be plus. This is odd number, then your answer will be minus. This is even, plus, odd, minus. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. So A4 is what? Minus 20. Okay. So your first term is 2, second term is minus 6, and third term is 12, and fourth term is minus 20. So this is your 4 terms. Okay. So now next we'll see next subdivision. Next sum, an is equals to 2n square minus 6. So again a is equals to 1 means a1 is equals to 2 into 1 square. Wherever you have 1, sorry, n, substitute 1. So minus 6. So 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 only, minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is what? It's minus 4. Okay. Next, n is equals to 2. A2, that is 2 into 2 square minus 6. That is what? 2 into 2 square is what? 4 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is what? 2. Okay. Next, n3. That is A3 is equals to 2 into 3 square minus 6. That is 2 into 3 3s are 9 minus 6. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 6 is what? 12. Next, n is equals to 4. That is A4. That is 2 into 4 square minus 6. That is 2 into 4 4s are 16. Correct? Minus 6. So 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 6 is what? 26. Okay. So your A1 is minus 4. A2 is 2. A3 is 12. A4 is 26. So this is your 4 terms. Okay. So next we'll see third sum. Third sum is find the nth term of this following sequences. So you have to find nth term of these sequences. Okay. Now same, like you have to see what is the relation in these sequence. Okay. See, first term is what? 1 square plus 1. Okay. See, 1 square plus 1. 1 square is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Got? So now second term you see 2 square plus 1. What is 2 square? 4. 4 plus 1? 5. Got it. Next, 3 square plus 1. What is 3 square? 9. Plus 1? 10. Okay. Next, 4 square plus 1. 16 plus 1. That is 17. Okay. Now you got this relationship. Similarly, this is your A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. If I continue this for AN. Okay. If I continue this for AN, your AN will be what? N square plus 1. If it is A1, what happens? 1 square plus 1. If it is A2, 2 square. If it is A3, 3 square. Similarly, if it is AN, it is N square plus 1. Okay. And you write here, that is N belongs to natural numbers. Got it? So this is your nth term. So if I continue like this only, nth term will be n square plus 1. Got it? So now we'll see next subdivision. Next, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and so on. You have to find nth term for this. Okay. See the relationship. So first if I write 1 minus 1 divided by 2. What happens? 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 2. Okay. 0 divided by 2 is what? 0 only. Got? So this is your A1. Similarly 2 minus 1 divided by 2. See, if nothing is there means 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 divided by 2, next number. Similarly, okay, similarly, see this denominator is what? 2. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is what? It is 1 by 2. Correct? So now if I take a3, so what is in your denominator? It's 3. So 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so that is 2 by 3. Okay, so see clearly, whatever you have in denominator, minus 1 divided by that number. I'm sorry, this is 1. I'm sorry. So 1 minus 1 divided by 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, divided by 1 is again 0. Okay, this is 1. Please change it. Now again this is 2, right? 2, right? So 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Then here it is 3. So 3 minus 1 divided by 3. I am getting the same sequence now. Similarly, if I continue this for nth term, what it becomes? It becomes an is equals to n minus 1 divided by n. That's it. So n minus 1 divided by n. Okay, so this will be your nth term. So if I continue this sequence like this only, the nth term will be n minus 1 divided by n. Got it? So now we'll see next subdivision. Next, 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. See this relation. See, now this is plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. But I can't randomly write plus 5. Correct? So what I'll do, I'll just write this as a1. Correct? a1 is equals to 5 into 1 minus 2. So 5 into 1 is what? 5 only. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Correct? So now a2. 5 into 2 minus 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Then a3. 5 into 3 minus 2. 15 minus 2, 13. Okay. So a4. 5 into 4 minus 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. So similarly, if I continue this for nth term, I can write this as an is equals to 5 into n minus 2. So this is your nth term. So if I continue this sequence, I'll just write this as nth term will be 5n into 2. Got it? So now we'll see next sum. So next is fourth sum. Find the indicated terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given below. So they have given nth terms, you have to find the indicated terms, which means you have to find a6 then a13. So wherever you have n, substitute 6 first. So a6 is equals to 5 into 6 divided by 6 plus 2. That is 6 5s are 30. 6 plus 2 is 8. So if I can cancel this using 2, 2 4s are 2 15s are. So your answer is 15 by 4. So a6 is 15 by 4. Got it? Next they have asked a13. So wherever you have n, substitute 13. So 5 into 13 divided by 13 plus 2. So 5 into 13 is 65 divided by 13 plus 2 is 15. So 5 3s are 5 13s are. So 13 by 3 is your answer. Okay. So now we'll see next subdivision. an is equals to minus into n square minus 4. You have to find a4 and a11. So similarly a4, wherever you have n, substitute 4. Minus into 4 square minus 4. That is minus into 4 4s are 16 minus 4. So 16 minus 4 is what? 12. So minus 12. a4 is what? Minus 12. Next they have asked a11. So a11 is equals to minus into 11 square minus 4. That is 121 minus 4. That is minus 121 minus 4 is 117. So a11 is 117. Got it? So now we'll see next sum. That is fifth sum. Fifth sum is find a8 and a15 whose nth terms is given. So n square minus 1 divided by n plus 3 when n is even. Okay, n square divided by 2n plus 1 when n is odd. Okay, so now you have to select which is even, which is odd, and apply the nth term. Okay, so first we'll take for a8. Okay, so a8 is even number, correct? So a8 is even number means select even function. So even function is this one, that is n square minus 1 divided by n plus 3. So wherever you have n, substitute 8. 8 square minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3. So 8 square is what? 64 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3 is what? It's 11. So 64 minus 1 is what? 63 divided by 11 is your a8, which is even number. So we took even function. Next they asked a15. See, for a15, similarly wherever you have n, you have to substitute 15 value, but 15 is what? Odd number. So for odd number they have given separate function. So select that function, n square divided by 2n plus 1. That is 15 square divided by 2 into 15 plus 1. Okay. So now 15 square is 225. So 2 into 15 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay. So your n a15 is 225 divided by 31. Got it? So now we'll see next sum. Sixth sum. If a1 is equals to 1, a2 is equals to 1 and an is equals to 2 into an minus 1 plus an minus 2. N is greater than equal to 3. N is belongs to natural number. N is natural number. Then find the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay. They have given nth term. They have given a1 and a2. Okay. You have to find first 6 terms. Okay. So first term they have given, that is 1. Second term also they have given 1. Okay. Now we'll find third term. To find third term they have given nth number, that is 2 into a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2, correct? So wherever you have n, substitute 3, that is 2 into a 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 1? It is 2, a2 plus what is 3 minus 2? It is a1, correct? So we know what is a1, a2 is what? 1. Substitute 1 there. Plus we know what is a1 is 1. Substitute 1 there. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So your a3 is what? 3. You got third term now. Okay. So now we'll see fourth term now. So a4. a4 means what? Again, wherever you have n, substitute 4. a4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2. Okay. So now 2 into 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So a3 just now we found, that is 3 plus a2 we know that it is 1. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So your a4 is what? 7. Got it? So now we'll find a5, fifth term now. a5, that is again wherever you have n, substitute 5 there. Okay. So a into 5 minus 1 plus a into 5 minus 2, that is 2 into a4 plus a3. a4 just now we found, that is 7. a3 is 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So a5 is what? 17. Got it? So now we'll see sixth term. a6, that is 2 into wherever you have n, substitute 6. So 6 minus 1 plus a into 6 minus 2, that is 2 into a5 plus a4. So what is your a5? Just now we found 17 plus a4 is what? It's 7. Okay. So 2 17s are, it is 34. 34 plus 7 is 41. Correct? So 34 plus 7. 34 plus 7 is 41. So A6 is 41. Got it? So they asked you, what they have asked you? They asked you first 6 terms. So they asked you first 6 terms, right? So now we'll write all the sequence. So A1 is 1, comma, A2 is 1, comma, your A3 is 3, then your A4 is 7, A5 is 17, A6 is 41. So these are your first 6 terms of this sequence. Got it? Okay then. So now this ends your exercise. Okay, exercise 2.4 completes here. See, if you have any doubt on today's concept, please let me know. Okay, then yeah, hope you have enjoyed the class. If you have any doubt, please let me know. And fine, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.